Hello my dear friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you live how can you turn on the developer option on your Android phone. Just before diving into the process, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So let's go. First thing first, to turn on your developer option, go to your phone settings. So open your settings. Now scroll down a little bit and keep scrolling down. Look at the last option, about phone. Just click here. Again, scroll down a little bit. And now you will find an option here, software information. So just click on it. Now under the software information, you will get an option, build number, okay? So click 7 times on this build number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the system is asking me to enter the screen lock password. So I'm entering my screen lock password here. And after entering your password, just click on continue. And now your developer mode has been turned on, okay? Just go back, and now at the bottom of the page you see this developer option, okay? Just click here, and now you get a lot of settings under this developer option, okay? So this is how you can turn on the developer option on your Android phone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful in solving your problem, then hit a like, and if you want more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.